Hey there and welcome back to the Tech Channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a solid rundown of the Powerbeats Pro. I'm going to compare them to the Apple AirPods, and I'm going to go over a few specific features that I find great about these headphones. By doing this, I'll give you a better understanding of whether or not you should buy these headphones for yourself. All right, let's dive in. All right, so straight off the bat, I'm going to tell you why I bought these headphones. I bought them for running. Okay, you can see here in this video, they're not coming out no matter what I do, no matter how hard I shake my head. These just are not coming out. I can't get them out when I'm running. It's freaking amazing. I love it. And this is what the AirPods lacked. The AirPods simply would not stay in my right ear specifically when running. So if you want to run with headphones and you're here because you maybe want headphones that stay in your ear when you run, I promise you these are the ones you want to get. You can just stop watching this video after you leave a comment, of course, and buy these headphones. But whoa, hold up. I'm not sponsored by Beats. I have like 100 subs on this channel. You don't need to worry about me lying, okay? These are them if you want to run. Best headphones for running that I have experienced so far. 100% unbiased truth. But whoa, let's not get off topic. AirPods. They work great. I love them, but the Powerbeats are better for running, okay? So you might wonder, do I use both? Why, yes, I do. Thanks for asking. I actually use the AirPods for things like work and for things like studying, even Xbox Live Party Chats through the Xbox app. And then I use the Powerbeats for running. They simply serve different purposes. All right. I know we don't care about the AirPods versus the Beats or what I use them for. We want to know about the volume buttons, the side buttons on the Beats. All right, let's talk about that. Each headphone has 3 physical buttons. All right, that's physical buttons. The AirPods has no physical buttons, right? You just tap it. Well, it doesn't really work that way with the Powerbeats. What you do with this is you press the button on the side once to pause it, twice to skip the song, and 3 times to go back to the previous song. All right. And then there's 2 other buttons on each AirPod. I mean Powerbeat, one for volume up and one for volume down, like you see here in this video. All right, let's talk about 2 more things, fit and bass. First off, the fit is pretty good, but it was actually really weird to get used to at first. When I first bought them, the first week or so, I really couldn't figure out how to put them in my ear the first time. Now I just kind of throw them in and it works great. But again, the first week, it took me a while to kind of get used to putting them in my ears. Other than that, the fit is great. They don't get uncomfortable. I really like the fit. All right, so bass, how do these sound? Well, it's actually a lot better than the AirPods. They're Beats, okay? They're designed to have a lot of bass, even though they're just headphones. So I really like the bass, really good for like hip hop or EDM, and I really recommend these headphones even if you don't run, just because of the bass. All right, aside from the Beats, you probably know that I recently purchased a DJI Ronin S. Now, you probably only know this if you follow me on social media. I didn't actually get the chance to use the Ronin to get any good footage for this video, but I'm actually going to be making a video on this backpack that you see me and my friend wearing here in these clips. I'm going to be utilizing the gimbal to get some really solid footage of this backpack and really explain the ins and outs of it, because I want to let you know of really dope tech products or products like this that hold tech that's out there for you. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification when I release that video. I really want to ask you to please leave a comment and a like as well, because I want this channel to get a little bit more exposure, and comments and likes will do that via the YouTube algorithm. So I'd really appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video on the InCase backpack. See ya!